Today, we are drawing a mommy hen and a baby chick. First, we draw the big mommy hen standing tall. So cute hen. Big wing, fluffy tail, and strong legs with claws. Look, our hen has a comb on top. It looks like a crown. Now, we draw a beak. Awesome hen! Now we draw our super cute baby chick. Our chick has big round head with fluffy hair and long eyelashes. Oh, so pretty! So cute drawing! Our drawing looks so beautiful! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chick is popping out of the egg. Surprise! Happy eyes and tiny beak saying, peep, peep, hello world. Did you know? Baby chicks hatch after their mommy hen sits on the egg for 21 days, like a warm hug. When they come out, they are wet and fluffy. Then poof, dry and super cute. Mommy hen follows little babies and protects them from everything. Let's coloring. Chicks love to run around and peck, peck, peck for food. So funny to watch. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Well done! Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.